Well, there's a break in the weather, so thought it's a good time to get out, get a little bit of sunshine and a little bit of fresh air. So this is just a short ride today. Might actually do a little bit of an exploration if the weather holds out, but it's not going to be a long one. Anyway, here we go. Comment would be immature, so I'm not saying anything. There we go. End of the road. Might just park up, have a little bit of a walk down to the river there and see what it's actually like. So the bridge subject to flooding, indicator show depth, red, do not cross, yellow, check before crossing. And what's the bridge like? What bridge? All you can see is red. There's no sign of any yellow whatsoever. That's fast and deep. Not even going to attempt to wade across here. And the motorbike boots, yeah, why not? Wow, so I just did the last 10 minutes or so walking the track, thinking I was recording it, but I wasn't, which is a shame. But it's a nice little track. They say 50 minutes. It took me a bit less than that, as in 20 minutes maybe. But I didn't really stop and read the signs about the trees and the plants. Didn't really stop and listen to the birds much. I think that's what the track is designed for you to just take your time and appreciate. So, nice little track though, nice little diversion. And in summer, having a nice sort of grassy paddock to have a picnic and things, it's not a bad idea either. Anyway, head home. Okay, time to wrap up this video. That was a nice short ride. Good break, good fresh air, bit of a walk. Didn't get to see the hot pools that were on the sign, but there's no way I'd want to go across that ford in the state it was in. So let's do that another time. Anyway, on with normal life. You can find something else to do as well. Thanks for watching. See you later.